Alright guys, so we got our bullet point mounting solutions. Let's open the box and see what's in here. I've had these in another truck and it makes a big difference. So these are the bases. It's our GoPro mount. This will mount our Furrion camera, and this will mount our GPS. That's one mounting pole. The other mounting pole. And then this should be the base. So this one is for vehicles with the 12 or 14 inch, which we have, and this is for the 5 or 8.4. So it looks like we just need to change out this base. And then it comes with the mounting ball. You get tools to put it together. Stickers, everything comes with stickers. It's awesome. Bring in here closer. So these become the mounts that attach to the base. There's 2 more bases, and then this ball mount goes to the Garmin, and this one goes to our Furrion camera, and then I have the 3rd base so we can mount our GoPros on the system. A little closer look at the grids so you can see. Alright, so we're in the truck and it mounts right up in here. There's 2 screws. You pull those out and you set this base in there. So I'm gonna do it and then I'll bring you guys right back. So here's step 1. It's mounted. You can see where we can mount our GoPro. This is going to be the GPS. This is going to be the Furrion backup monitor. You still have access to your PowerPoint. I have a splitter up here, one for my dash cam and then one for the Furrion monitor. I think it cleans it up really nice. So let me get the GPS and the backup monitor mounted. So here we are. The finished product. So like this is my view looking forward. It's just perfect that a car's pulling in. Plenty of visibility. Here goes a full-time RVer's favorite truck, right? Delivery.